So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a refund on DoorDash. So first of all, you will need to download the DoorDash app. Through here you can see at the bottom, home, pickup, grocery, browse, and me. Now if you're unsatisfied with a certain order and you think you deserve a refund, that's okay. You can go to the me page. You can see orders, try Dash Pass, settings, and on, and you click on orders. Through here you can see some orders will be placed here, and make sure that you have the order code or some specifics about the order you created and made. Through here, in order to get a refund, you will need to go to DoorDash email support. So you can again go to me, go to settings. Through here you can click on get help, and it says which order do you need help with. If you click on something other than an order, check the FAQ page. If you find the order you need help with, you can always go to support@doordash.com, and through there you can just go ahead and talk to them and send them an email, and they will come back to you if they think they are sufficient evidence that you do deserve a refund. So don't hesitate to ask. That's how you can contact them, through support@doordash.com. You can always go to their FAQ as well if you think you can get some information on there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.